What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to be checking out this product right here from Rimgard. All right, so here we have a product from Rimgard. I picked up a set of wheels only to find out that these wheels are a problem when it comes to theft. So we wanted to go ahead and get a good product that is going to secure those wheels. So we picked up this product here from Rimgard. So we can see here, superior wheel security, stronger, smarter, safer. So this product is supposed to do the job. All right, so inside we've got this lovely little booklet here. Got some instructions on how to install the product. All of the items that's in the box. We've got in here everything you need to install. So inside of here, we've got the locks, we've got the tool to secure the lock to this little mechanism right here. And that's basically it. So that's what's included in this kit right here. And then in the rest of the box, we have 4 units. So this is one of the wheel protectors right here. So this here is the piece that is secured to the actual wheel. This screws in to that to hold it in place, and then you put your key in there to lock it. So that's what's in the box. You can see here how everything is packaged. This company is out of Stockholm, so we can see the rest. So pretty straightforward packaging. I ordered this and it came fairly quickly. So this product retails for $349. I ordered it, and from the time I ordered to it was delivered was about 4 days. So pretty quick shipping considering that it is coming from overseas. But as you can see, what's in the package, again, pretty straightforward. The way that this works here, you've got your key. First thing you got to do is insert this inside here. Make sure everything's lined up. Then you can put it inside there and then lock the key in place. So that's in essence how it works. We'll actually go through actually putting this on the wheel in another video. We got one more thing here too as well. So this here is a little sticky putty if you want to use to take off your center caps without having to take the entire wheel off to install this. So that will come in pretty handy. But in essence, that is what is in the package. So if anyone's interested in getting these, I did pick these up for a set of Honda stock wheels. So that in essence is the product. Again, you can see what it looks like. You put your center cap on top of that. But that's it for the unboxing of this video here. You see all the parts and components involved, pretty straightforward. Hopefully here we got a great product that's gonna secure your investment. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.